notification, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing an unboxing. Specifically, we're going to be doing an Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. So for those of y'all that don't know what Ipsy is, it's basically like a monthly subscription glam bag, makeup bag. It's about $20 a month. Pricing is in US, so it might vary wherever you are in the world, but US dollars is $12 a month, so Canadian that's about $18 to $20. But basically how it works, just to give y'all the rundown, you make an account and you go through like a preference, like a little quiz to like what you prefer, what you don't prefer, what are your problem areas, what are you trying to accomplish, what are your goals, maybe something you want to try that you haven't tried before, all of that. So you answer all those questions, and maybe later on at the end of the video, if there's time, I'll kind of show y'all what the quiz looks like, or just put it up on the screen so you guys can see. But yeah, so I believe it's 5 samples, and honestly I don't mind it. I've had it before. I don't mind it at all because you get to know different products, and especially someone like me that wasn't really into makeup and is still trying to like get to know different types of makeup. This is perfect for me. And even though it's a sample, it lasts super long. Like I have eyeshadows, mascaras that I've now used, all of that. So this is the bag right here, you know. So this is the bag right here. It's really cute packaging. Oh, and I didn't mention, so every month it comes in a makeup bag, and every month the makeup bag changes, and I believe the makeup bags have a meaning. Some of them, I don't think all of them do, but yeah. So I'm just gonna open up my little glam bag section on my account here. I'm not gonna screen record because I think it has my information, but basically it tells you what's in your bag. So let's open this bad boy up. So this is the bag that I got for this month. Don't mind my nails, I apologize. But this is the bag that I got for this month. It's super cute. I believe it's for women empowerment. Let's see. It says this month's design is all about celebrating what makes you feel stronger. So I'm guessing it's like friendship, unity, boss women, boss, you knows. So yeah. So let's open this bad boy up, and everything's like cutely packaged and stuff. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it's 5 mini products. And oh, it comes with like a little card. So it says, so this is the March bag. This feature is female, you got this. Stronger together. Equality. Like Sharon Dion and red lipstick and cat eye, some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. Get this month's theme at ipsy.com/stronger together and use the hashtag Ipsy stronger together. Oh, that's really cute. I like that. So this is how it looks. And and inside it basically tells you all the products that you have, and also so that way you guys don't get surprised as well, it also tells you on the website what's gonna be in your bag, so you have an idea of what's coming. And I feel like I'm gonna do this every month when I get it. This is gonna be a new feature on my channel, so if y'all are interested in new makeups that you probably would have never tried before, or you just want to see the unboxing surprise, this is the video for you. So first on the list I have, I'm probably gonna get this wrong, Hannah Lay Company Kukai Lip Balm in Island Mint. So let's find that. So this is the item. That's the item right here. Oh my god, my hands are ashy. Oh no. Hold on. No, y'all couldn't tell me? I thought we were friends. Anywho, so this is the item. Oh my god, it's blurry. It's blurry. Can y'all see it? It's blurry, but I'll try and pull a picture up. This minty lip balm is made with coconut and kukai nut oil straight from Hawaii to moisturize and nourish and smooth your lips with every swipe. The cruelty-free natural formula is made without unhealthy ingredients like parabens or phthalates. Tip: swipe it on alone, under lip colors, or mix with your favorite lipstick to create a sheer stain. And it tells you the original price of the product, which is $6. So I do want to open it. If these would it smell minty? I have lip gloss on and I'm not about to wipe it off, but we will try it on my skin. So I don't know if I can see it. Like, obviously it's lip balm, so you can't really see it, but it does give like a little mini gloss. If y'all going for like, especially under these masks, if you don't want to wear like lip gloss to make it like stick, this is a good product to have. I want to try this. I can't wait to try this. Next we have the Kat Von D setting powder, and I've actually used this before, but I'll rate it anyway. Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Lock-It Setting Powder. Stress and sweat can be a recipe for a makeup meltdown. Enter this loose setting powder, which locks in everything from foundation to blush for hours without ever feeling dry, thick, or chalky in the process. Once it's on, you'll forget you're even wearing it. Tip: dust this product over makeup with a large, fluffy powder brush to set and mattify. And then the full size of this is $31, and I'm guessing these are US prices. I'm not sure, but yeah. I've used this before. To be honest, this is not my favorite setting powder. My favorite setting powder is the Laura Mercier translucent medium deep powder. This is my go-to. I actually have it on right now. This is what I use to set my face on the daily whenever I wear makeup. So if y'all want any powder, get this one. Next we have the Kate. Also say that. So this is the product. I don't know if it's because of the light. Hold on, let me see if I turn it down. Will y'all see it a little bit better? Can y'all see that? No. Okay, so it's not, it's just terrible. So we have the Kate, hopefully I'm saying it right, London Fruit Burst Hydrating Lip Oil with Lychee and Acai Burst. Sounds pretty. Can't decide between lip balm and lip gloss? Swipe on this hybrid lip oil and you won't have to. It deeply hydrates thanks to the acai oil, avocado oil, and lychee extract, and gives lips a glossy sheen that doesn't feel the least bit sticky. Tip: give your favorite lip colors a boost of moisture and shine by layering this oil on top. And the original price, the bigger sample to this is $16. I just want to smell it. Ooh, I wouldn't taste it. I would not taste it, but this does give off a very shiny sheen, and it's not sticky. This will definitely moisturize your lips. So, you know, you know, put the lip balm on them, you know, for the, what was it, the hydrating. And this also hydrates your lips, but this also gives you like a little shine, so you know you can put them on top of each other. Next we have this this is highlighter, I believe. And I was actually excited for this one because I don't use highlighter on the daily. So I'm kind of like glad that I got this one, because then I get to play around with different types of highlighter and I don't have to pay the full price for it. Now, how do I open this box? Oh, it's in a cute little, this light will be the death of me, but let me just, it's in a cute little let's swatch this one. Ooh, it's, ooh, can y'all see that? Ooh, I'm gonna use this. Ooh, I'm gonna use the, I didn't put a lot obviously, but let me layer it and see. This is very creamy, I like it. So that's basically how this highlighter looks. I love it. Let me see if I don't know. Let's just try it and see. I'll just put it on one side so y'all can see it for the rest of the video, and y'all can comment and tell me what you think. I don't even know if I'm putting it. Do y'all see a difference? A little bit? Am I supposed to put more? I don't know. Okay, so this is more a neutral light. Do y'all see a difference? Maybe I need to add a little bit. I just like that, like, guys, like, it is just so creamy. Oh, let's try this again. Oh, there we go. I like this one. You can definitely see the difference, but oh wow, you really do when I smile. But yeah, so this is that. Y'all are gonna be seeing my face all shiny for the rest of the video, but ooh, okay, so this is in the color Champagne Toast Wet Glow. I didn't even read the thing, but let me read it. Okay, so this is what we have. Sophia plus Maybell Wet Glow and Champagne Toast. Give your skin a next level glow with this shimmery champagne colored highlighter. It's a one of a kind and so satisfying jelly texture. Yeah, like it feels so good. Oh my god, okay. That applies wet and then dries down to a long wearing matte like finish. Okay, yeah, so that is true. When you touch it, it feels jelly and it feels kind of wet. But it says applies wet, and maybe it's not because I used the brush, but when I put it on my face, it just felt dry. I do see the matte thing because it's not like too out there, but you definitely can see that something's there. Like, whatever. I like that. That's really nice. I like it a lot. Tip: the versatile formula can be worn alone, over makeup, or mixed into foundation. I'm gonna make use out of this. I'm gonna make use out of it, especially like since like it's not too out there. This is for me. And the regular price for this is $18, okay? So the last item in my bag, I was also excited for this one because like the highlighter, this is one of the items that I do not have, but people have told me to try, and it's blush. And I'm a little skeptical about buying blush because I don't know if I'm gonna like it, which is why I'm kind of glad that I switched my, also you can switch once you do your survey. Don't think that's it. If you get what you want and you find a product or whatever, do the survey again, switch it around. You can get other things. I switched the first time around. I didn't know anything about makeup, so I did everything. This time I know what I want, and I wanted blush and I wanted highlighter, and look at that. First month back and I found some stuff. Okay, and if you have like acne prone skin, I can't open this box. If you have like acne prone skin and stuff, they have products for that. Combination skin, they got products for that. Dry skin, they got products for that. They even have like facial cleansing stuff, so if you're looking for a facial cleanser, you found your place. You found your place. So let's see how this looks. Oh, so it's like a cute little, oh, it's like a cute little red color. I like it. I don't know. Okay, so let's try it out first, like we did the last ones. So I don't know how you apply blush, so let's do it. Oh, I don't know if it's as pigment. It is pigmented. It is very pigmented. Okay. Oh, I see it. It is very, very much. I'm not gonna do a lot because I'm not trying to. Okay, so y'all can see. I see it. It stands out. Can y'all see the difference? Because I can. And I don't have my glasses on. I just see the color. But I like this. I like it a lot. So how can I say that it feels? It feels very grainy to the when you rub it, but when you when it's actually rubbed on your face, I don't know how to explain it. But it feels very grainy in the little packaging. So this is St. Lux blush in Cranberry Blitz. Nothing instantly warms up our complexion like the touch of blush. And the silky smooth berry colored formula does just that. It's silky, blendable, extremely wearable, and won't create any creases or streaks. Just perfectly flushed skin. Tip: swirl it to the apples of your cheeks using a fluffy makeup brush, which I feel like is self-explanatory because if I was using makeup items like brushes and stuff, that's probably how I would apply it. But I did do it on the ball of my cheeks so you can kind of see the red rosiness. Honestly, you see the highlighter on one side, you see this on that side. I'm loving it. I'm here for it. I really am. And the original price for this was $18. Yeah, these are my 5 products. They are tiny, but I'm not gonna lie, things like these last a long time. The lip gloss, I have my set lip gloss and lip balms, but I am willing to try it. Something new. Maybe I might like this a lot more. Who knows? Maybe you might like this a lot more. Who knows? And of course, the setting powder. You can never have too much setting powder. I don't care what anybody says. I use setting powder on the daily, and just in case I ever run out of this, I have this to go with it, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching, and join the Nisha Nation family. What are you doing? You made it to the end of the video. What are you doing? You see that red thing down there? You see the little bell down there? Give it a little ding-a-ling. Make it go. Make it do that. Make it do that. So you can get the notifications. So you can know when I post my videos. And I post my videos every Friday. Sweetie, make your Fridays better. Make it better. Make your Fridays better. Make them better. And do yourself a favor and subscribe. But I love y'all a lot. Thank you so much for watching. If you like seeing videos like this, let me know. If y'all want me to try out a makeup company, makeup brand, you know, techniques, I'm willing to try. Makeup hacks, I'm willing to try. Thanks for watching, and see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.
If I wanna know when they come from, pretty little islander.